Katie Lucas to come to the podium and talk to us for a few minutes. And while she does that, I want to tell you about Katie. Katie's a senior in high school at William Byrd. She initially wanted to be a teacher in her career, but two things happened to change her mind. She took a class at Burton Technical Institute, an EMT class, and she did an internship that changed her career path. Welcome, Katie.
Hey, good morning. So basically right now I kind of want to give you all a little backstory about me. I'm a senior at William Byrd High School. I'm a year 2 student at the Burton program of the EMT, and I'm a year 1 student at the radiology program. So basically with my whole story is I started from ground zero with healthcare. Ever since I was a little girl, I wanted to be a teacher. And in middle school, everybody was like, no, you don't want to be a teacher. They don't pay enough. And I still just wanted to prove to them that I could be a teacher. So, but my grandma, she actually was the one that told me about the EMT program. She said that you are wonderful with helping people and you should try it. But I just blew that by because I said I wanted to be a teacher. And in 9th grade, I wanted to start kind of looking towards the healthcare. And I decided to help out our athletic trainer at William Byrd, and I was basically just a little shadow, and I really enjoyed the health. And so I wanted to know more about it, and I decided to apply for the Burton EMT program and the nursing, but I got into the EMT program. So when I got into the EMT program, I remember my first time meeting the teacher. I was nervous. They told me it was a very hard class, that not a lot of people could do it, and it takes a special person. So that really made me so nervous, but I wanted to prove to people that I can do it. At first I was telling my parents, no, I can't do this, but I still wanted to prove. So within the EMT class, I realized, wow, I enjoy this. This is great. I did my first clinical on the ambulance, and I was like, this is where I need to be. This is great. So in mid last year, they brought us the radiology program. And I was kind of iffy about it, but my guidance counselor kept on bringing it up. She said, you'd be perfect for this. So I was like, okay, I'll give it a shot. I applied, and I got in. And then the next school year comes around. I am still currently working on getting my EMT. I volunteer now at the Vinton Rescue First Aid Crew. I've been volunteering for 6 months, and I completely enjoy it. It's great. And now I am working on getting my EMT, like I just said. And in my radiology program, I can be a limited rad tech. After I graduate, I will become a rad tech assistant at Carilion, and I will be in the ER. I told my teacher from the beginning, I want to be in the ER. I enjoy trauma. I like to be on my feet. So I'm going to start off in the ER. That's my goal. And also I want to become an EMT and get my fire and do balance both, because I'm a young girl and I can do it while I'm young. And I really wouldn't have this opportunity right now if I wouldn't have put myself out there and gone to Burton and have amazing instructors as role models. So that's where I am right now. I'm beyond proud of myself because I could never thought in my 18 years of life I'd be speaking in front of you guys. And that's basically the little backstory about me. Yes, I am a student ambassador. I became a student ambassador in back of fall. I was at the summit, I spoke at the summit, and after the summit, I decided to reach out on my social medias and tell everybody who I am, what do I do, and that actually helped me because a couple of my peers reached back to me, and I was able to get them started on a health career and where they want to go to college and stuff. And that, when they reached out to me, that really made me happy, knowing that I can get somebody started with a passion, because this is what I have now. It's a passion of keep on moving forward in health cares and careers. Also, we do have a pinning ceremony April 30th at the Carilion Hospital for Children's in Tanglewood. I would love for anybody to come. Y'all are all invited. It's a pinning ceremony for the nursing students and the rad tech students, and we'll get to be recognized for what we're doing and who we are. Let's see. I think that's all I have for right now. But I do want to say thank you to the Claude Moore Scholars Foundation and Carilion, because we wouldn't, at Burton, be where we're at right now. Like, we wouldn't have scrubs, we wouldn't have the materials and everything. And with that opportunity, more students can come along and learn more things and get involved, because really nobody just wants to sit in class and listen to a lecture. I know personally I don't like doing that. I like being hands-on, and having this opportunity is great, and we would love for you all guys to get involved and help the students out, because my goal is to get more students coming to the healthcare. I have such a passion now to bring students along and try it out, because you never know if you like it if you don't try it.